Welcome guys, in this video I will write the Python program for the third exercise of chapter 5. This program will ask the user to enter the replacement cost of a building and then it will display the 80% insurance for that cost. Let's write the program. Create a variable cost and set this equal int input. What is the replacement cost of a building? Create a variable insurance and set this equal cost multiplied by 0.8 as the insurance is 80%. Now print you should be insured for at least, place the dollar sign, comma format insurance. Up to 0 decimal place. Separate this with empty string. Run the program. What is the replacement cost of the building? Enter 50,000. You should be insured for at least 40,000. Run again. What is the replacement cost of a building? Enter 3 lakh. You should be insured for at least 2 lakh and 40,000.